Today in front of me I have OPPO A16S, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can set up the nearby share function on this device. Well, to begin with, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data if possible. So I have the Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth enabled, and the mobile data is... let me find the shortcut for it. Well, it is not present, so I'll probably need to get it out of the list of unused shortcuts, probably. Or have I missed it by any chance? Don't think I have actually, so... should be somewhere in here. Oh, here it is, of course, my bad. So, yep, all of those things are activated. Now, at your control center, try to find the shortcut for the nearby share function. If it is not present over here, just enter the layout editing menu and find it among the list of unused icons. Should be right here. Here it is. Drag it to be the first one. So where did it go? Here it is already. Whatever. So here I have it. Touch and hold onto the nearby share shortcut. In order to activate it, just switch on this toggle. Then you can add or verify your phone number if you want to, of course. Then you can rename the device. I'll rename it to OPPO. Then change the device visibility mode. You can either turn it off entirely, or in order for this function to work, obviously you have to set it to either be seen to your devices, your contacts, or anybody who is in range. Then change the data transfer mode for files. Now we can test this feature out since it is all set up and ready to be used. So I happen to have this little Motorola device in front of me, so I'll try to send some image from it through the nearby share. First of all, I want to find the gallery. So let's say I'll send this little photo, whatever. I'll try to send. So here's the nearby share. Now I'll wait for my OPPO to get recognized. Here it is. I'll tap on it, then accept the transfer on the receiver's end, and wait for the file to get sent. Here I have it. Now I can open it. As you can see, the transfer went well and smoothly as well. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.